Guys, how are you today? Here's Put Project, and today we have a new video from our course, HTML course. Today we want to first create the homework of last session. Please do this homework because this homework very help you. And then we want to learn some tags about programming in the website, and also I want to say to you some law about writing a correct type of the tags in your document for doesn't get bad, so and get it clear coding, make it clear code, and don't want to get bad, you don't get bad so in the website. Let's go. First of all, let's create um, the homework of last session. I said to you use these five tag. This is the for meta tag, and then the second it's meta tag refreshed. I said to you to use this. Create one full footer and add one fav icon, link fav icon. Then we want to have one header and one list. For the header and list, to copy these two. Okay. Then we add it. Let's watch it. Okay, this is the I add the logo here. Page dot. Okay, it's correct, it's correctly, but in the footer it doesn't have it. Okay, it's correct. Here we have the one footer, the list I said to you, and the header, and also and the fav icon. Okay, let's go for learning some tags. Okay, let's go for learning some tag, and let's start our new session. Today we're going to finish this course. We're going to last, I think so, uh, five session of our course. I think so next five session is the finish session for the HTML course, and then we want to have the CSS course. And also uh, in this time, please learn all of these codes I learned to you, these tags, and do homeworks and do some exercise for yourself. And if you have any question, ask me in the comment box. And also now we finished the important tags like a tag, img, p tag, footer, header. Last session we finished this most important tags, like lists, forms, lists, tables, and something like this. Only we want to learn one forms. I think so I learn it to you in next session, but we finished the most important tags. And please do homeworks and do exercise for yourself. Index.html, HTML5, document delete, put it project in the body tag. Okay, we have one tag, its name code. What we write in the code tag? What do you think? We write some tags in. Sometimes we want to learn some codes in our website. So how we write it? We write it in a tag, in p tag, or in h. No, we write it in the code tag. We have one tag, its name code, and we write our codes. For example, here I write x equal 10, y equal 20 for example. Then I write x equal plus y, and print for example x. For example, this is my code. I write it in the code tag. And also we can have here br we write our codes in this tag, the code tag. And also we have another tag, samp. Let's write it here, samp. What we write in the samp? We write the output of our code. For example, what is this output? If you learn Python and know, you know this output is 13. So here we write output equal to 13. For example, how we write it? Why we don't write h? Why we don't write p? You know, because getting good SEO, we want to get good SEO in the Google. So what we do, we should to do, the code that use the good tags, use the tags in the where we want to use it. We can here write p tag, but here if we want to use p tag, we get one bad score in our cell. Then now I want to add it to one div, make it one partition, this output and this code. And then I want to show it to you. It's come here, output is 13. It doesn't have any font, any important font. It's only we use it for the getting good. So it's the important things to use is getting good. So taking good. So then if you have to show one keyboards button, what you use, I meaning when you want to write Control plus V, Control plus C in your website, what you use? You can use H4, you can use H3, you can use H. Also you can use p tag, I think so it's good, or code or samp. No, this is the wrong answer. You should to use the kbd. We here write one div, in the div I write one h3 in h3 I write here for copy texts you should use kbd, and then here command plus C, for example. Okay, let's watch it. Okay, here you can watch it. It's not very, it's have another font, but it's not very different from the H3. But the important thing is getting good SEO. If I write it in the H3 and I don't write kbd, I get one minus a score in my SEO. So I should to use these tags. For code I should to use code tag. For the link I should to use a tag. maybe I can use a for all of this text, but it's better to use this for getting SEO and make it beautiful, and you have one a standard website. The next one, now we finished the tags for learning today. Now I want to say to you some law. Now I don't write any code. You can don't watch the your screen. You should to listen to my sound now only. We have some very very important to programming, meaning lowercase. It's not in the HTML only. It's in Python. We have it in C sharp. We have it. We have it. For example, camel case, uppercase, lowercase. If you search it in Google, you can know about it. It's a very very important thing, and we have some some codes in Python and C sharp, for example, for the convert one text to lowercase, convert to one text in uppercase. But now I want to say to you, if you write, let's I show it to you what I'm meaning for lowercase. Here, lower case, upper case, and camel case. Camel case. Camel case is this text. Yeah, the start with a lower little the little letter, and we finished it with a little letter. But in the beginning of it, in the uh, middle of it, our text we use the big letter. For the text, we can show to you this text camel case. We write it like this. What is the uppercase? Uppercase, we write all of our letter in our word with big letter. So what is the lowercase? We write it with lower letter in our program. So what we used it in HTML. If you write here body with big with uppercase or camel case type, you write it and it's run it okay, but it's not good. It's not clear for clear coding. It's not you don't get good, so you don't make beautiful code. So when you want to have one beautiful code for next programmer, what should say? Wow, he is a very very good programmer in last project. Wow, his put it project, he's very good. Wow. If you want to know about you like this, so you should write one clear coding. How you can write it? You write it in the tags. We write it like this. If you have VS Code, you don't worry about these laws. It's going to use this simply, and if you don't have any importance, any thinking about it. But if you use any different idea, you should use it. You should write it with lowercase. You shouldn't write it with uppercase. If you write it with uppercase, you don't have one clear coding, one website with clear code. You don't have the getting good so in the rank of Google, and you have many problem for it. Okay, this is the first law I want to say to you, lowercase and uppercase. And the next one, and when you open one tag, please close it. If I here delete this, it's run. We don't have any bug here. You can show you can watch if you don't have any problem here, but it's not very good work. It's not very good for clear coding, and you get very bad. I said it to you, very easy. You get two minus, three minus, four minus points in your cell for this bug. It's very bad to use this you open one tag and you don't close it. It's very bad. Many you get don't get many syntax error in like programming languages, but it's very bad and it's not very good. If for example we write one line without semicolon in C++, we get a syntax error, but here we don't get any error, but we get minus score in our minus point in our cell. It's very important things. Also, you should write your attributes like this. A style is one attribute. You should write a style with lowercase display block, for example. You should to write it lowercase. In HTML we write all of this, but in text no. I can here write the for I can write here with big O. But in the tags I say to you, we don't have any uppercase or camel case. We have it with lowercase for the style, for the attributes, for all of things we write it with lowercase. And this is for the third law I want to say to you. And then I have to say something very important about attributes to you. If you open your attribute, you can write it like this. Quotate it. You can write it in quotate. But it's not good. In last HTML you don't write any quotation for it. It's not very good. It's badly work. You should write it in the double quotation. You should write it in double quotation. Display, for example, block. You should I say to you very much. You should write it in double quotation for getting for writing clear coding. This is the clear coding three tips for you. Yeah, clear coding notes for you. It's very important. And then for the next one, it's very easy. If you have one mind, you don't skip this. If you mind about writing good website, you don't skip this. But I should to say to you, if you have one website, you should write title for the website. You can't find one website that doesn't have title or have any about anything title. It's have title for their business name. You should write the title tag. It's very important. It's not for clear coding. It's only for getting good website, having good website, and having one very good. So it's very can get to go you for the get. So here it's the course for so also because this is the notes for getting good so in programming. And the next one, if you have, I'm not very sure about it, but in W3 school it's right. I say to you, I'm not very take it important. If you open one tag for IMG, they write it. You should write the width and height for it. If the size is okay, but you should write the height and width to auto. Write it for width auto, for example. Auto. You should write it to auto. Yeah. And if it not good, so you can write it another another thing about it. You writing another pixel for it, another size. And also we have some these notes in our Instagram page. It's ID is the web dot put it underline project. We have these notes in our, also more these notes in our page, so please follow me and in the Instagram also if you want to get know about it. And it's finished today project. If you have any question, ask me in the comment box, and also watch these courses, these parts. It's very help you, and you should know the HTML for learning CSS. You shouldn't have any problem in HTML when you want to start CSS. So if you have any question, ask me in comment box, and I answer to you very fast. Please like my video if you have any if you like my video and my course. Also please subscribe my channel for watch next courses and next part of this course. Also share my video to your friends, they watch and learn the HTML. Have a nice day and goodbye.